Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, June 23rd, and the time is around 1:20 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the euro dollars. This is 90 minutes chart here. So we can see we are now looking for wave 5 to the downside. This is wave 4, ended at 107.87, and then now we start a wave 5 to the downside with a subdivision as a 5 waves. We ended with 1 of 5 here. Now looking for wave 2 of 5 in the form of a WXY structure. Okay, so from this low, okay, first of all, from this high, we can see we subdivide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 5 waves down in the minor degree, ended with 1 in the intermediate degree in the blue color here. Then now we are in the wave 2 correction. You can see the first leg of the rally. It looks to be in 3 waves here, 1, 2, 3, right? So this by itself is telling us most likely this is only corrective rally, right? Because it's only 1, 2, 3. Otherwise it would have been an impulse, right? If this is truly bullish, it would have been like this, would have been an impulse like this, but it is only a 3 waves, and then you get a correction, correcting this entire 3 waves. So as a result, this is now a corrective structure, right? Now some people might try to label this 1, 2, 3, 4, but for us this kind of pullback is distribution wise is too big to be wave 4, right? Some people might call it like 1, 2, 3, 4 with overlapping and call it diagonal, but for us that's not really a wave 4 anymore. So this is ending here. This rally ended here as a 3 waves. This is your correction. Then we break to a new high again above this W. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the new high here is your 5th swing. So it's a WXY, which is a 7 swing structure, right? So a double. So sometimes people call it double zigzag or double 3. So something like this. So you have a 3 waves. You can either label it as ABC or WXY, and then you have another 3 waves up, which again is another zigzag or another other different types of corrective structure, right, in 3 waves. So that's a WXY, which is a 7 swing. So now since we already have a 5 swing breaking above here, most likely we can continue to extend higher, right? And target on the upside simply can be something like this, WXY. So again, kind of retest this peak here between 106.80 to 108.40. So this is the 1.618, and then from here we can turn lower again. So again, a couple of things here. Number one, this one is a 3 wave, so most likely this rally is still corrective in nature. Number two, you can see this arrow is black in color, turning down, not red. It's because if you look at the larger time frame, I'm zooming out in the 4-hour here. So let me put this label in the proper place. This is wave 4, and then this is your wave 1. Now of course complete count can be seen in our member area if you're interested. So right here, the invalidation level that you see still is turning down, and the reason for that is because if you zoom out, we have not really broken below this. So this is your 3 in black here, right? So we have not broken below that. We are kind of like double bottoming here. But if you look at the dollar index, which is kind of the inverse of the euro dollars, the dollar index already break the equivalent low here. So if dollar index is the inverse, so it has broken above that previous peak. So that's the reason I think there's still good chance it can hold below this peak here, because technically speaking, from technical point of view, until it breaks below 3, we cannot rule out something like this to happen before going down, right? We cannot rule that out. But the dollar index already break the equivalent low here in the euro dollar, so I think most likely we're still gonna hold below here. And then also the second thing here is this rally in the first leg looks like a three wave, so I think there's still good chance that this rally right now still is corrective and can fill again and continue to go down around this area 106.90, right? I mean, this is the area 106.90 to 108.40. This is the area where this rally expected to fill. Okay, now can it break above? I mean, if it breaks above 4 is possible, then you call it double here, ABC, something like that, and then that will suggest the rally can go all the way up to 108 approximately, right? Can go to 108 to finish an ABC or a WXY, doesn't matter what, however you want to label it, and then from there we can fail again and go down again after that. Okay, so that is the update for the euro dollars today, and as always, if you want to get regular updates or learn more about Elliott Wave, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.